Running a conference or a large meeting can easily become a logistical nightmare for the organisers. Speakers bring their own laptops and often fail to connect them to the local projector. Connect, disconnect, connect again the cable. Nothing appears on the screen. Everyone is looking forward to the next presentation, but impatience grows. Maybe speakers should have emailed organisers the slides beforehand, or used the local computer to retrieve them from the cloud. But they are not always comfortable logging in from someone else's computer. Perhaps they should form a queue with their USB pen drives. Not very practical either for sharing the slides with many individuals in the audience. After the conference, little information is left behind. It's spread across mailboxes, cloud accounts, USB sticks and hard drives. And if a website ever existed, it will probably not last very long. But data is not the only factor. For instance, an event requires a room to be booked. In a large organisation, doing that can be a cumbersome task. Now scale this up by multiple factors. For a conference that will require many rooms, projectors, presentation PCs, video conference cameras and webcast connections, too many emails are exchanged and too much time is lost. But that's not all. Every participant has his or her own profile, which includes information that ranges from birth date to dietary preference. That usually represents hundreds of different choices and unique pieces of information that have to be maintained, processed and considered. In the past, people would use huge spreadsheets in order to collect all this information. This could only be done by a single person or a restricted group of people that would have to constantly synchronize data between themselves. Can you imagine the amount of time that is lost because of all those issues? All the minutes and hours that add up and hinder the productivity of an organization. Fortunately, there is a solution, developed at the place where the web was born. Located in Geneva, CERN, the European Laboratory of Particle Physics, has been pushing forward the boundaries of science and technology since its foundation in 1954. It's the home of the Large Hadron Collider, the largest machine ever built by mankind. The LHC experiments are conducted by a community of more than 10,000 scientists spread around the world who need to be in permanent communication across different time zones and sharing information in quick and practical ways. The solution we developed is Indico. Indico acts as a central repository for all organizational events and associated materials. For instance, at CERN, thousands of presentations, abstracts and papers are uploaded and downloaded every day, adding up to a growing corpus of event information. Once you've uploaded your presentation, you'll be able to retrieve it from any place at any time. All you need is an internet connection. Once in the room, a single computer will be enough for everyone. There will be no pen drives, emails or cables. After the presentation, those interested will be able to retrieve all the meeting material from Indico. Virtually every lecture that was given, every team, group or task force meeting and every conference organised at CERN can be found in Indico and can be consulted in a secure way. Thanks to an elaborate access protection scheme, you can travel to the past and find out what happened, or back to the future and see which new events will take place. Indico helps you organise events of different levels of complexity, from simple lectures to meetings with different speakers to multi-stream conferences. And managing a timetable is as easy as dragging blocks. Let's have a look at conferences. They normally involve a lot of different people: organisers, chairpersons, authors, speakers, referees, participants, and Indico brings all of them together. Participants will register for the conference. Organisers will receive the information and use it to plan their logistics. And Indico can help with that. A user profile magically becomes a badge or table sign. Easy. Some of them will also want to submit abstracts or papers, which will be then assessed by the corresponding referees and automatically published when approved. At the end of the event, it will be the participants' turn. They will send their feedback to the organisers. And room booking? Leave it to Indico. It's been taking care of CERN's 250 conference rooms for the last 7 years. Useful, isn't it? But Indico is not a closed world. It has a powerful API that allows developers to extract information from the system, and an ecosystem of modules that interconnect with different technologies and tools, from personal schedulers to mobile applications. It's also extensible through plugins. Several electronic payment solutions are supported, as well as video conferencing tools. But the most important is, anyone can extend it further. Indico is used at CERN and in more than 150 other institutions around the world. It's a mature, open source project, free as in freedom and beer. This means anyone can collaborate and improve it, and you can be the next one. With Indico, you can create events anywhere, anytime, from simple lectures to complex conferences. You can preserve your organization's data and streamline collaboration across its community. Feeling interested? Then try it out now.